Morning, guys. We're live at 9 o'clock, just as the clock turns to 9:01, as you can see right there. Running a mini for Ryan's Salah figure. We got the top 3 win spots in the main. I got 10 spots here in my list. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random. Find our winners. Paste them in there. There they are. 10 entries. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. And we did. We got a 6er. So we're golden. Good luck, guys. Here we go. As we get down to business. Paul in the top spot, followed by Troy. Ian. Paul again in the top 2 spots. Paul again. Troy. As we head to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Paul, Paul, and Ian. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification. Make it official. Computer just seems to be waking up as well. Come on. Here we go. Verification is... oh, there it is. ZHWHJI. Bit of a tongue twister verification there, but we're done, which is neat. At 9:02. There you have it. One last time, there's our winners. Congrats, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks.